Hello and welcome to another video of CircuitDigest. In this video, we'll be showing you how a DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor works by interfacing it with an Arduino and to display the temperature and humidity data. We are using an OLED display. So as you can see, the setup is very simple and requires a very few wires to connect all up. So for power, we are using the 5 volt of Arduino to power the both sensors and the OLED, and the I2C wires of the OLED is connected to the I2C pin of the Arduino, and the DHT data is read by the D2 pin of the Arduino right here. So this is a very simple setup and shows you how this temperature and humidity sensor work. So this is a very cool little sensor and provides a 1% accuracy on temperature and 5% accuracy on humidity. So if you want to learn more about the topic, do check out the link given in the description, which will redirect you to our blog where we have mentioned all the details. So this is a simple video. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.